Yes, 3 wins in a row. It's a great strategy. Hello, I'm Emily. Before the start of the video, I want to inform you that I have an author's Telegram channel where I conduct trading sessions, live streams, and answer to your questions. If you want to be a member of my community, then go to my Telegram channel and write to me in private messages, I want to join the VIP. See you! Dear friends, watch this video until the end and I will tell you about my author's trading guide which you can get today for free. So friends, today I will tell you about one of my favorite bucket option strategies. We will use two really simple indicators that, if used skillfully, will bring us a good profit. So we go to the trading platform, I use bucket options. I will leave the original link to the platform itself in the description, and we begin to set the settings necessary for this strategy. Chart types, candles, interval 1 minute. The term for concluding a deal is 3 minutes, that is 3 candles. I will choose a bet of $150. Next, we go to the Indicators tab. Today we need two indicators for this strategy: envelopes and moving average. Then go to the settings of the first indicator and select the values. Period 40, deviation 0.03, moving average SMA, source close. Then go to the View tab and uncheck the middle line. In this strategy we will not need this line. Then we set up the second moving average indicator. Period 7, moving average SMA. Click Save. So friends, we are ready to start. In this strategy we have two ideal moments to open a trade. Watch carefully, friends. First moment, we see the white line of our moving average indicator cross the up of our second envelopes indicator. Now we need to find a candle where the white line goes into the frame of blue lines. An important point, we need to wait for the close of the candle that fits this condition. Condition: the white line crosses the upper border of the blue indicator and is between two blue lines. When we see this candle, we open a down trade. And the reverse situation: when the white line crosses the bottom of the blue indicator and is between two blue lines, we open a high trade. We wait for the close of the candle that matches our condition and open a trade. An important point: the white line should be strictly in the frame of the two blue lines. Only then the strategy will work and bring you profit. So friends, before moving on to the practical development of my new trading strategy, I promised to tell you about my new author's Telegram guide. My guide is a collection of my rules for organizing money management, which will help you to earn big money on trading without losses. Today you can get my guide for free. What you need to do: follow the link in the description of this video to my Telegram channel, subscribe to it and write to me in private messages, I want a guide. Do it now, then you will thank me. And we move on to practice. Found the first situation, waiting for the candle to close. Moving average cross bottom line of envelopes, so I open trade up. Wasn't the best entry point for us. But so far everything looks good. The candle flies up, it remains just to wait for trade to close. And we have confident win and $138 net on balance. And another situation is here. Moving average cross top line of envelopes, we will enter trade down. Let's wait for the candle to close. I'm trying to get a better entry point and we enter. And as a result, the deal closed quite confidently, easy, plus $136 net. And here is the last situation for today. We are waiting for positive conditions. I enter as soon as the next candle opens because I think that the chart is about to spill. But I was wrong. 15 seconds remain. It is still not clear whether we will win. No, let's go back down. Yes, 3 wins in a row. It's a great strategy. So friends, today we have analyzed a very powerful strategy that helped me close 3 deals in a row today profitably. I recommend everyone to try this strategy. It seems to me that in the long run it will show itself very cool. Of course, if you follow all the rules of this strategy and the rules of trading and money management in general. This is what my guide is about. For today I have everything. Subscribe to my channel, like and comment. See you in my next video. Bye!